Yes.
Hi. Bilang taga-human resources, meron ka bang may re-recommend na mag-escort kay Ma'am Carol?
Escort para saan?
Kasi merong event na dapat i-host ni Boss Rick. Eh, si Ma'am Carol yung pinapa-take over. She needs an escort daw. So, sino kayang pwede?
Ako.
Naglista ako ng mga qualifications, ano? Kailangan physically bagay kay Ma'am Carol. Matangkad, of course, di ba? Tapos, kailangan merong sense kausap. Gentleman.
Are you looking for your lifetime partner?
Seriously!
Seriously, may budget ba siya para sa escort service?
Silvio, ilang weeks na ba tayo hindi nagkakakwentuhan?
Amanda, that is exactly what I was thinking of. Kaya nga today after work, ha? Mag-relax naman tayo.
I've been wanting to distress and unwind with you nga eh. Which is why I brought this for us. I've made you a relaxing cup of coffee. You and I both need comfort and relaxation.
Hi, Silvio! Pwede ka ba mamaya sa...
Hindi! Alis!
So Miss Puri, do you think that America is ready for a colored president?
Why, Charm? Hindi ko alam na mahilig ka pala sa politics.
Actually, hindi ko nga alam kung masasave siya rito o mapapatay. Napanood mo na ba to?
Excuse me, Harvey, JC, sino kaya sa inyo ang pwede mag-escort kay Ma'am Carol tonight?
Teka muna, akala ko ba may qualifications ka?
These are desperate times, Serge.
Ba't ako?
Kasi meron silang chemistry with Ma'am Carol kahit papaano, so...
So, anong kapalit?
Ano ba? Magmamakaawa pa ba ako?
Negotiations ang tawag dito, Puri. Take it from the expert. It's like, pwede ba kami humingi ng longer breaks?
No bandy clocks, perhaps?
No sermons.
Ano ko, sige na nga, for a week, only for a week.
Shoot!
So, sino sa ating una? Best of 3.
Best of 4.
Game.
Paano kaya kung babae naging presidente ng Amerika?
Charm? Ay, nako. Hindi po pwede si Ma'am Carol, nagka-family emergency daw siya. But still, she's asking me to go. Ako ikaw na nga na maging partner ko? The least of all evils. At pwede ba itago mo yung mga pirated DVDs mo and keep your mouth shut? Okay? Mag-smile ka. Hindi, wag masyadong. Konti lang, ganyan. Yan. Tapos pag nag-walk tayo ganito, ha?
Alam mo, she would have been the first female president of America. Sayang talaga si Hillary Clinton.